I never made it, but I know.
You're right, guys. Today, or tonight, me and Danny, and I think Nathan's going to join in. We are going to burn that bridge that we built, the epic bridge. We're going to set it on fire, try and drive the car across it.
Out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I made you.
Right, Danny, you've got 5 lives to get across this bridge. Yeah, try not to crash because it's my car. Go, Dan. Oh, there's 1 life. Restart. Oh. I'll let you have that.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me.
Oh, no. Oh, nice save, mate. Oh, he's got smoke in his eyes. Oh, oh.
Bam! I made fire. Nope, it's
Oh, I just ain't got the power.
Haha, found you, little fire.
Tell you what, it's your first try.
Oh, hi.
How many lives are we on?
No, I've used up 3. Oh,
Oh no!
can you save it?
Oh, my car hasn't got the power down his own. It's this bit. I'll let you start from there, just got to try and get across there.
Well, now it's really bad.
Oh,
Please, give me some more to
God.
fire. Oh, ow. Oh. Oh, God damn it!
it's your last go. So the bridge didn't exactly burn like we planned it to, but we still managed to drive the car across it a couple of times, which weren't too bad. So
And I've got a lot of smoke in my eyes.
he's got a lot of smoke in his eyes. So what we'll do is we'll wait till a sunnier, drier night, and then we'll do it again, and hopefully it'll go up a bit better because the is a bit wet in it.
Yep.
It's been raining a lot, so
Well, it is Britain.
It's Britain, so that's what it does. It rains. Hopefully next time it'll be a lot drier and the bridge will go up.